Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I'm SUMA BABU. The artist in me always try to find beauty everywhere. I like to surround myself with things which inspires me. I believe color speaks louder than words. I'm fond of upcycling things in my house. Today we will upcycle an old wall clock with Mandala Art. Designing your own mandalas can be both inspirational and therapeutic. In various spiritual traditions, mandalas are employed for focusing attention. They symbolically represent the cosmos. Let's see how to do this meditative art form in a wall clock. We will practice dot mandalas today.
I have never hung this clock on my wall because of its dull color. I found this recently from my storage area. I don't want to use as it is, so thought of giving a different look to it. I have no idea how it will turn. You can see the numbers are printed outside. We have to paint on this area. I want to give some dark colors in this area. We'll give black color. We are using kitchen sponge here. Edges will paint with brush. I'm not giving any fine finish. I want to give some deep green color over this black color to get an antique look. This is perfect. I like the finish. The base is ready. Now we will make mandalas over this. You get this kind of tools for mandala art in the market. Otherwise, you can use the rounded ends of brushes, pencils, pens, chopsticks, toothpicks, etc. to make dots. I am not referring any picture here. I want to design my own mandala. Let's see how it turns out. Let me start with one big dot on every hour breaks. While making dots, keep your tool up straight, which gives an even size to the similar sized dots. I don't have any specific color pattern. Yes, finally we have completed our pattern. I'm happy with the final output.
Hope you like the art form. If you want to see more videos like this, mention in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another interesting